Do you do this to unlock your inner peace? When a chemical is injected into your body, the state of mind and body is relieved. If you think deeply, peace is some sort of chemical reactions inside the body. In search of peace, we see many people trying different things. Does silence really mean doing nothing? What can be done to enjoy true peace? We often have to act in confusing situations. How can we remain calm in such situations? In our lives, everyone needs peace. You want to live peaceful, but mind is restless. So mentally you are not at peace. If you lose peace, you will naturally tend to quarrel with people around you. You raise your voice over the loved ones without realizing. It may seem normal to you, because you think everybody does it. In fact, most of the people does it. But sometimes that quarrel becomes physical abuse. So now, you are in a situation where you need a medical help. What is peace? Peace is some sort of chemical reactions inside the body. If you think deeply, the doctor gives you a pill. Once you take the pill, inside your body, you are at peace at least for few hours. Pill is nothing but chemicals. When a chemical is injected into your body, the state of mind and body is relieved, and there is some peace. Peace is therefore some kind of chemical reaction within the body. Likewise, every emotion contains some sort of chemical reaction inside your body. Whatever the sensation, there is a chemical in the body that fits into it. If we are silent, we have the chemical of peace within us. So what if we can create that kind of chemical? How can we create that chemical in us? Some attain this through prayers and meditation. In my opinion, it is possible only with the help of God that magical chemical secretes at the right time. If the situation is good for you, you are at peace. If the situation is not good for you, then the problem arises. There is a good video about how to solve problems in life with 4 simple SWOT steps. I will leave a link in the description below. So, if your tranquility is not subject to external circumstances, whatever situation you are in, your inner state remains unchanged. Being calm and happy is not the end of life. That is the beginning of life. If you are not even at peace, and have been plagued by your psychological nonsense, it means that you have not yet begun to live. Being calm and happy is a very basic requirement. You should be in a calm mind to enjoy your meal. If you mess up, can you enjoy your meal? Obviously not. Being quiet is a very important stage of attaining success. But today, people are propagating that peace of mind is the highest dimension of one's life. Unfortunately, for most of the world's population, peace is the highest goal of life. As people have not even reached this threshold, it is very unfortunate that some so-called spiritualists are telling people that being quiet is the ultimate. Being quiet is the most basic thing. Peace is the starting point, not the end of life. It is a very early stage. Listen to this interesting story. One day a factory owner went to visit his warehouse. After the visit, he realized that he had forgotten his cell phone inside the warehouse. Apparently, his cell phone was in a vibration mode. He searched the phone from all the places he moved around. Unfortunately, he couldn't locate it. So, he then requested his workers to look for it. Workers tried every possible corner inside. Everyone was in a hurry to find it, in the hope of getting the slightest compliment from the owner. Unfortunately, they could not locate either. Finally, a worker came to him and requested that he be given another chance to search alone. Sensing the need for a cell phone, the owner granted him the permission. The worker entered the warehouse. He closed the door. About 15 minutes later, the worker came out with a cell phone in his hand. The amazed owner asked the worker, "How did you find it this time?" The worker replied, "Sir." I went in and turned off all the noisy things inside and sat quietly in the middle of the warehouse. That silence helped me focus on the vibration and I was able to hear the phone vibrating. I went in its direction. My silence helped me. So, the moral of the story is, when you are trying to reach your goal, isolate yourself from the unnecessary things and try to stay calm. That calmness will give you a clarity on how to achieve your goal. It is impossible to fish in a messy puddle. Do you live your life to please others? If so, you'll never know what is peace. Because nothing you do will be good enough for others. If you make decisions based on what others will think of you, it's time to rethink. The important thing you need for a happy life is a peaceful mind. Big changes can be made in small steps. If you want the change to last, then you need practice it regularly until it becomes part of you. Pray hard and ask God to guide you. If anyone can help, it's the one who made you. Only in the remembrance of God, heart finds peace. Stay calm. Stay peaceful. Remember, silence is within you. Live a peaceful life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Motivate for more videos. Enjoy.